YouTube, this is me Aabi signing in. Today we are going to Kabilas Resort and Fun Park, which is located in the heart of the nation. Kabilas Resort and Fun Park actually lies in Bharatpur metropolitan city, 29 Kabilas, Chitwan, 14 kilometers away from the city Narangal. Kabilas Resort is probably the largest resort across the nation, expanding in the lodge area. It has well-furnished and high-tech fun park for all age groups. Swimming pools, water fountain, picnic spots, organic farmhouses are also the center of attraction at the resort. Well, today I will try to show you a short and sweet video which includes cinematic and drone shots. So please watch till the end of this video. Thank you. And here we go. On 3, 2, 1, music.
It starts with all I know. So I tried so hard and got so far, but so watch you go. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter.
Thank you guys for watching till the end of this video. You can watch more of my videos which is shown on your screen right now. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, as well as click that bell icon to get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you. Peace out.